Let's start. Today we will see how to use Mvvm architecture using the view model and live data in Java Android. Mvvm stands for model, view, and view model. The model holds the data. A model could be a simple Java data class, SQLite database, a web service, etc. Anything that holds a data is model here. The view is the UI of the app. This consists of the activities and fragments with their respective UI layouts. And view model holds the business logic of the app. The view and the model do not interact with each other in this architecture. Instead, they interact with the view model. And it is the view model's responsibility to update the data in the model when the view has changed, and update the UI when the data in the model has changed. We will achieve this using live data. A live data continuously throws the data whenever there is a change in the model class. And the view implements an observable pattern that observes and catches these data changes from the view model class. Let's see the code. Here we have the main activity, a model class, and a view model class. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have a text view and a button. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the text view. This is the button. Let's see the Java code now. In the model class, we have a data member called name. These are the imports. This is my view model class, which extends the view model class. This is the data member of the class. This is the live data of type myModel class. These are the setter and getter methods of the data member. This is the doTask method. We will call this function from the main activity button. Here we create an object of the model class and put some data in it. And pass this model class object into the live data. Now, the view model makes this live data available for any activity or fragment view to observe and catch. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate method, this is how we set up the view model. Then, we set up an observer that observes if there is any data supply from the view model. If there is any updated data thrown by the view model, we catch that data in this onChanged function, and show it in the text view. When the button is clicked, we call the doTask function of the view model and pass some string data to it. Let's run this app. As you can see, when the button is clicked, we passed some data to the view model live data via the doTask function. The view model then starts throwing that data to all the observers that wanted the updated data. Our observer in the main activity caught that data and displayed it in the text view. So that's it. That's how you can implement an Mvvm architecture using the view model and live data in Java Android. Thank you.